just got a brand new e-bike and you like to know how to charge it. So what we have right here is the HATASU Hero, and we are gonna go and plug it in. But before that, we are shooting this video using the POCO C65. This is a front facing camera. It defaults to 1080p 30 fps. This is an entry-level phone that retails for 5,499 pesos for the base variant, which has 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. The upper or the higher level variant has 8 gigs of RAM and 26 gigs of storage. It runs on the MediaTek Helio G85 chipset. But without further ado, let's get on with it, shall we? So, if you can see, we still have 3 bars left. But the first thing that you're gonna want to do is make sure that you're parked near an outlet. And now you have to remove keys. And on the HATASU Hero, you're gonna have to open this compartment. Ito yung sa driver's side. And in order to do that, you have to locate the keyhole right here. Tapos nandito rin katabi niya yung pinaka saksakan. Ayan, okay. So buksan natin yung compartment. And inside, medyo mahirap lang kasi walang dual video mode itong si POCO C65. It is after all an entry level camera. But here you'll see the charger. So, anong laman nitong charger? Buksan natin. Ayan, mga kapatid. This is a 220 volt charger. Ang output niya ay hindi ko masyadong mabasa. So let's hope that the camera is able to capture the details on this charger. Pero yon, as with most chargers, it is going to you're gonna have to plug it into an outlet. Flat yung kanyang socket, which is good. Yan naman yung standard sa Philippines. Tanggalin natin yung tali. Okay. So ito, naaalala nyo yung socket dito sa likod ng ating HATASU Hero. Okay, medyo mahirap i-angulo. Tingnan natin kung makuha natin sa camera. Okay, so you're gonna have to open this. Tapos dito mo siya isasaksak. Ayan. Okay. And then, syempre, hindi abot yung ating saksakan. So, kailangan natin ngayon kumuha ng extension. Pause muna natin yung video. Medyo maikli pala yung cord nitong HATASU Hero, no? From the anong tawag doon sa gitna hanggang dito sa likod, medyo sabihin natin mga 3 feet lang yung haba nung pinaka-cord. So kailangan nyo talaga ng extension. So saksak na natin siya. Ayan. So ngayon makikita natin na umiilaw na yung ating adapter. And may nararamdaman akong hangin dito. I guess that's what keeps the adapter cool. And now, balik tayo dito sa pinaka-main. So bantayan nyo lang yung battery. Oops, nawala yung ating battery. Ayan, so ngayon nasa 48 volts. At nawala ulit. Okay. Ayan, yan. Nasa, ngayon tumaas. Kita nyo? Naging 48.1. Pero medyo nag-fluctuate yung charge or yung capacity ng battery. Kanina 48, ngayon naging 48.1. Ayan, nagiging 48.2 na siya. Alright. So, that's how you charge your e-bike. You're gonna wanna leave it for a few hours. Medyo matagal mag-charge lang pagka galing ka ng low battery from fully discharged. And once again, so kung mag-charge siya, you might wanna do it at a time when you don't have any important trips planned. So I hope that helps. Once again, this is the HATASU Hero. And napakagandang 3-wheeler e-bike. Galing kay HATASU. This one costs 65,000 pesos. Pero tingnan nyo nga naman. Okay? Meron siyang cover which protects you from the elements. So pwede mo siyang gamitin kahit na tag-ulan or tag-araw. Tapos 3-seater na rin siya. At ang kanyang differential motor ay 650 watts. Ayos ba? So if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments or send us a message. We are on social media, like Kuya, on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Threads, YouTube, and also abangan nyo yung iba pang content na ilalabas namin about the POCO C65. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ayan, tumaas na siya. Ngayon, naging 48.5. 0.4, then nagpo 0.5. Oops. Yan, 48.5 na siya. So nag-umpisa tayo sa 47 point something lang. Okay. Alam.